Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 4 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right in, for those of you who are just now joining us, we have a Dollar General clearance event which is starting on Friday, March the 3rd and running through Sunday, March the 5th. So we have a bunch of items that are going to be an additional 50% off. Now, in order to help you all get prepared 110% for this Dollar General clearance event, I have already uploaded a ton of videos, lots of information, good information, answering the most frequently asked questions, all kinds of goodness, and I have all those videos linked right down below in the pinned comments, so make sure that y'all go and check it out. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because I have even more deals to share with you all. Now, in part 4, we are going to be going over 3 different categories. They are smaller categories, so I decided to go ahead and combine them into one short video for you all. So first up, we're going to go over our shave clearance, all those awesome razors and shave gels. We do have a few coupon matchups in this category. Then here in a few minutes, you guys are going to see skincare. So we've got a lot of face creams and lotions and things like that. And then at the end, I have tacked on the feminine care products. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section below. I'm going to turn on a little music and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so now we made it to the end of part 4 of our clearance event videos, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because there is more to come. I'm going to try to upload one more video today on Wednesday, and then tomorrow on Thursday we're going to wrap everything up. I should have at least 3 videos for you all tomorrow as well. So make sure that you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and of course, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because it really does help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.